90.4 FM. Bajao.
Welcome listeners to the quarterfinals of Raga The Voice Hunt 2013. In this round, our singers will present 3 songs, one that they find inspirational, one that defines them, and one to the accompaniment of music. We congratulate and welcome our quarterfinalists to Raga 2013. Today we have Vanilla with us. Hi Vanilla.
Hi.
So are you ready with your 3 songs?
Yeah.
So what is your first song?
The first song is from a Telugu movie called Swayamvaram. It's sung by Chitra and the name of the song is Marala Telupana.
So how does this song inspire you?
More than the song, the style inspires me. It's more from the light music style of Javali. So it's a sort of song which talks about the feminine introspection. So how does she understand the feeling of love, romance and stuff. So it's a very nice thing to understand the typical Telugu sensibility. So it inspires me that way.
So let's get started.
Okay.
Yeah.
మరల తెలుపనా ప్రియా మరల తెలుపనా మరల తెలుపనా ప్రియా మరల తెలుపనా ఎదలో ఎలదాచుకున్న మధురోహల పరిమళాన్ని ఎదలో ఎలదాచుకున్న మధురోహల పరిమళాన్ని కనుపాపలు నింపుకున్న చిరునవ్వుల పరిచయాన్ని కనుపాపలు నింపుకున్న చిరునవ్వుల పరిచయాన్ని మరల తెలుపనా ప్రియా మరల తెలుపనా విరబూసిన వెన్నెలలో తెరతీసిన విడియాలని విరబూసిన వెన్నెలలో తెరతీసిన విడియాలని అణువణువు అల్లుకున్న అంతులేని విరహాలని అణువణువు అల్లుకున్న అంతులేని విరహాలని నిదురపోని కన్నులలో పవళించు ఆశలని నిదురపోని కన్నులలో పవళించు ఆశలని చెప్పలేక చేతగాక మనసు పడే తడబాటుని మరల తెలుపనా ప్రియా మరల తెలుపనా నిన్నలేని భావమేదో కనులు తెరిచి కలయ చూసి నిన్నలేని భావమేదో కనులు తెరిచి కలయ చూసి మాటరాని మౌనమేదో పెదవి మీద ఒదిగిపోయే మాటరాని మౌనమేదో పెదవి మీద ఒదిగిపోయే ఒక క్షణమే ఆవేదన మరుక్షణమే ఆరాధన తెలియరాక తెలుపలేక మనసు పడే మధుర బాధ మరల తెలుపనా ప్రియా మరల తెలుపనా మరల తెలుపనా ప్రియా మరల తెలుపనా.
Wow. So how does it feel to be in this quarter-final round?
It feels good. I didn't think I'd make it, but I'm here. So it feels good. I want to see how it will feel to be the next round.
We are hoping to see you in the semi-final round as well.
Yeah.
So what is your second song going to be?
The second song is from the year 1955 movie Anarkali, I think.
Okay.
The movie's name, and the song's name is Rajashekara Neepai Mozu Teeraledura.
Yeah.
It's a very classic song. This
How do you think this defines you?
okay, this the song, like the first song again, the song is more indicative of how an artist is. An artist is supposed to flatter its audience, especially in a court, and the singer, the character is the courtesan, Anarkali, as we know. So it's inspirational because the motive of every artist should be to make the audience happy.
Right.
So that's why this song defines me that way.
Great, great. So are you ready?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's get started.
Rajashekara Neepai Mozu Teeraledura. Rajashekara Neepai Mozu Teeraledura. Rajasana yelara Rajashekara Rajashekara Neepai Mozu Teeraledura. Rajasana yelara Rajashekara. Manasu niluvaniidura mamatamaasibodura. Manasu niluvaniidura mamatamaasibodura. Madhuramaina బాధరా మరపురాదు రాజశేఖరా నీపై మోజు తీరలేదురా. రాజసాన ఏలరా రాజశేఖరా. కానిదాన కానురా కనులనైన కానరా. కానిదాన కానురా కనులనైన కానరా. జాగు చేయనేలరా వేగరార దేవరా. జాగు చేయనేలరా వేగరావదేలరా. చేరరారా చేరరారా చేరరారా.
Wow. That just doesn't define you. It also defines your caliber, for choosing such a tough song. So, what is your third song going to be?
The third song is a Hindi song from Jism 1.
Yeah.
It's Chalo Tumko Lekar. It's by Shreya Ghoshal.
Okay. So, why did you choose this song?
It's the melody song. Firstly, it's my style, and secondly, it has difficult places in the song, but it's easy also. So
Okay.
it's for the right balance that I chose the song.
All right.
चलो तुमको लेकर चले हम उन फिजाओं में जहाँ मीठा नशा है तारों की छाँव में. चलो तुमको लेकर मीठा नशा है तारों की छाँव में। चलो तुमको लेकर चले हम उन फिजाओं में। गाती सरसराती इन हवाओं संग आओ पास मेरे आना। सपनों का सफर है मेरे दिल का ये भंवर है, इसमें डूब जाना। जरा सा लम्हा छुपा था अब मिल गया जहां। मीठा नशा है तारों की छाँव में। चलो तुमको लेकर चले हम उन फिजाओं में। रोशनी है और चंचल चांदनी है, चले आओ ना। शबनम सी जुबान है और महका सा मिलन है, दूर जाओ ना। सुहाना सपना तुम्हारा सच हो गया जहां। मीठा नशा है तारों की छाँव में। चलो तुमको लेकर चले हम उन फिजाओं में जहां मीठा नशा है तारों की छाँव में।
Thanks a lot, Vanilla. Thanks for joining us for quarterfinals. And we really hope to see you in semi-final
Yeah.
round as well.
Thank
and
you.
we wish you all the best from whole team of Raga.
Thank you. I
Thank
wish
you.
I'll see myself in semi-finals too. Thank you.
Thank you.
नाइन्टी पॉइंट 4 FM बजाओ।
Welcome listeners to the quarterfinals of Raga The Voice Hunt 2013. In this round, our singers will present 3 songs. One that they find inspirational, one that defines them, and one to the accompaniment of music. We congratulate and welcome our quarterfinalists to Raga 2013. Welcome, sir. Welcome, Rajiv, sir.
Hello, hello. How are you?
I'm good.
Yeah.
And
It's nice to see back at the same place. Yeah.
what does raga mean for you now? I mean, now that you're here.
Yeah, it's a stage which actually doesn't differentiate between the talents from either students, faculty, or from any other non-teaching staff. It gives a platform for all of us to really come forward and present ourselves, giving a lot of time, many songs, and it matters a lot. Actually, I really enjoy being a part, like a family, and coming back here. Yeah.
We look forward to being with you throughout.
Yeah, thank you.
So, coming to the song that you find inspirational, could you tell us what that song is and something about why it's inspirational for you?
Yeah, actually, I'll tell some story before that, and after that, I will tell this. It was around 1977 when there was a cyclone which hit Andhra Pradesh, and there are many people died. And at that time, I was living in Madhya Pradesh, and I never thought that I will come and serve in the same state. During that time, it is a small village in Madhya Pradesh, but the people there, they thought that we should contribute something for the better cause, for helping the people of cyclone hit. And during that time, I was really a small kid, and I recently started singing, and there was a group, and they asked me to present few songs and all the collections which was coming out of that, and it was supposed to be sent to for the help. During that time, it was around there are quite a few songs which I sung that time, something like Gori Tera Gaon Bada Pyara from Chichor, and Mere Naina Sawan Bhado Fir Bhi Mera Man Pasa. That was a song which actually came in 1977. But there was another movie which was supposed to come in 1978, and I thought that time it was suddenly becoming a song which was actually, I always liked it. I didn't know that time it is a rag which I really like. It was from Puriya Dhanashri, and there was a very new song which was coming, so I presented that also. So it was a noble cause. All the money actually went to this state for, it was a very small amount, but at that time it was around 139 rupees which I got from the public, and I still feel very proud of that. I was studying in something like a 5th or 6th standard, and I could send that money here. So
and what song is that?
It is like Meri Saanson Ko Jo Mehka Rahi Hai. This is a song which is based upon Rag Puriya Dhanashri. So I thought I'll present to.
Please do.
Yeah. मेरी सांसों को जो महका रही है, ये पहले प्यार की खुशबू तेरी सांसों से शायद आ रही है, मेरी सांसों को जो महका रही है। शुरू ये सिलसिला तो उसी दिन से हुआ था, अचानक तूने जिस दिन मुझे यूं ही छुआ था, लहर जागी जो उस पल तन बदन में, वो मन को आज भी बहका रही है, ये पहले प्यार की खुशबू तेरी सांसों से शायद आ रही है, मेरी सांसों को जो महका रही है, ये आंखें बोलती है जो हम न बोल पाए, दबी वो प्यास मन की नज़र में झिलमिलाए, होठों पे तेरे हल्की सी हंसी है, मेरी धड़कन बहकती जा रही है, ये पहले प्यार की खुशबू तेरी सांसों से शायद आ रही है, मेरी सांसों को जो महका रही है.
And when people talk to you, right, what are the words that they frequently use to describe you?
In what sense? Like because I am a teacher and say
No, from peers.
I really do not know. Like I like to help people. Like that's one of the thing which, and that's the reason why I selected this as a noble profession for me. And it's always like I always feel that if you can be happy only if people around you are happy. So they come to me very closely and they talk to me with a lot of this thing. I do not know what they speak about me, but they all feel comfortable being in my company.
So, what song did you choose to say defines you?
This is a song which actually from one very good movie which I saw in my childhood, and this song is known as Madhuban Khushboo Deta Hai, Sagar Sawan Deta Hai, Jeena Uska Jeena Hai Jo Auro Ko Jeevan Deta Hai. So that is close to me. I don't say that I give a life to others, but it is something which actually I feel that is close to me. I try to be like what this song says, and try to be keeping myself in the line of what the lyrics of the song says. Moreover, it is sung by Yesudas, and one of the very good song which is very close to me. I'll just sing for you. मधुबन खुशबू देता है, सागर सावन देता है, जीना उसका जीना है, जोरों को जीवन देता है, मधुबन खुशबू देता है। सूरज ना बन पाए तो बन के दीपक जलता चल, फूल मिले या अंगारे, सच की राहों पे चलता चल, सच की राहों पे चलता चल, प्यार दिलों को देता है, अश्कों को दामन देता है, जीना उसका जीना है, जोरों को जीवन देता है, मधुबन खुशबू देता है। चलती है लहरा के पवन के साथ सभी की चलती रहे, लोगों ने त्याग दिए जीवन के प्रीत दिलों में पलती रहे, के प्रीत दिलों में पलती रहे, दिल वो दिल है जोरों को अपनी धड़कन देता है, जीना उसका जीना है, जोरों को जीवन देता है, मधुबन खुशबू देता है, सागर सावन देता है, मधुबन खुशबू देता है। Thank you.
What does helping people mean to you?
Well, I won't say that helping someone or not helping. It's like something. It's a chain of things which goes on. Somebody came to help me somewhere, so I have to reciprocate to someone else. It's a continuous process actually, and that's what when I talk to the students also I tell the same thing. I'm not doing anything help or anything wonder for anyone. It's like something which came to me. I had to extend it to someone else.
A give and take with life.
Yeah. That's most important thing. And I will tell when we discuss more about this particular song also.
Your next song?
Yeah.
And what is that song?
It is a song which I'll tell you immediately when I sing it. I'll not.
You want to sing it first and then talk about it.
I'll talk now, but I'll sing it directly and then I'll talk to you. Yeah.
Sure.
So it's like it's a time when I was given a German Academic Exchange Services fellowship, and that time I was supposed to go to Germany and do my 1-year research there. And they have that kind of a flexible plan in which you can stay into one of the language institutes, and then after that you learn German language for 4 months and then you start your research. So it was in 1998 June when we, along with the 30 members team from India, we went there, and we went to Göttingen. It's one of the most beautiful places in Germany. It's a very old university, and they have a Goethe Institute there. So there they had a culture of every weekend either there would be a potluck party or there would be some cultural event, and so. And during that time, we were asked to present some Indian songs, and then I was really happy because I really like music. Same time, I was trying to see the help of someone, because that time karaoke was not that famous, and I really do not know. But then German institutes have a piano kind of a system there. Everywhere they have pianos. Then in one of my classmates, her name was Mika from Japan. And I just requested her that there is a very new song which has come, and whether you will be able to play with me for that song. And she said that, no, I do not know any Indian song. Then I gave her my, that time it was a small cassettes. And that girl was listening to that song for continuously 3 nights. I really wonder. And she was practicing there in the whole night. And then we have presented this song, and she played it on piano, and I sung it. And still I remember that event, and I still remember that people may have that much of dedication. Learning first, not language. Language was not known to them. It was a Hindi language, but she could understand the feeling of Indian music, and she played with me. Of course, she was a student of Western classical music. She came there to study Mozart and others. But at the same time, she learned to it, and we presented it. It was like I really enjoyed it. People also from India and from Japan also enjoyed it. It's one of the memorable moments for me. And same thing, I thought that I do not know, I'm not in touch with her, but I still thought that I would give a tribute to her by this song, because that is the first time I sung along with her, and so nice of her that she has agreed to play the song for you.
Now I'm really curious as to what that song is that inspired someone to, practice with so much dedication.
I'll start.
Please do.
मिल रहे हैं, 2 दिल मिल रहे हैं, मगर चुपके 2 दिल मिल रहे हैं, मगर चुपके सबको हो रही है, हाँ सबको हो रही है खबर, चुपके ओ 2 दिल मिल रहे हैं, मगर चुपके सांसों में बड़ी बेकरारी, आंखों में कहीं रत जगे, कभी कहीं लग जाए दिल तो कहीं फिर दिल ना लगे, अपना दिल में जरा थाम लूं, जादू का मैं इसे नाम दूं, जादू कर रहा है, जादू कर रहा है, असर चुपके 2 दिल मिल रहे हैं, मगर चुपके भोले बनकर है बैठे, जैसे कोई बात नहीं, सब कुछ नजर आ रहा है, दिन है ये रात नहीं, क्या है कुछ भी नहीं है अगर होठों पे है खामोशी मगर बातें कर रही है, बातें कर रही है, नजर चुपके चुपके दो दिल मिल रहे हैं मगर चुपके चुपके। कहीं आग लगने से पहले उठता है ऐसा धुआं, जैसा है इधर का नजारा वैसा ही उधर का समा, दिल में कैसी कसक सी जगी, दोनों जानिब बराबर लगी, देखो तो इधर से, देखो तो इधर से, उधर चुपके चुपके दो दिल मिल रहे हैं मगर चुपके चुपके, सबको सबको हो रही है खबर चुपके चुपके, ओ दो दिल मिल रहे हैं मगर चुपके चुपके। मगर चुपके चुपके Thank you.
And now to the story part of the song. You said you had something to share with us.
It's like it's a story of that like I sung with that, and that it continued for next 2 months. I sung several songs, Musafir Hu Yaro, Nagaret, Tikana, and several other songs. And I think that some of my songs then. Like Indian songs, I'll not say my songs, but Indian songs were played a lot during the 4 months time. We had a very nice time because there were the people from different countries who were together there. Around 300 to 400 students were there. So it was a small village where we were not knowing then the identity of each other's countries, and we were all learning German language, staying together, eating together, enjoying together. One of the most memorable time I had in my life.
Nice. Thank you very much for coming here and participating with us.
Thank you very much. Thanks a lot to Raga again and all of you, and for arranging such a nice place and giving an opportunity to all of us to sing here.
It's our pleasure too to have all of you here. Hope to see you here again soon.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
.4 FM